Hi, I am Sol, and today we will tailor a perfect CV together. Firstly, what is a CV? I had spoken a little on it earlier, the still need to revisit its meaning for a better understanding. CV, short for curriculum vitae, is a personal marketing document used to sell yourself to prospective employers. It should tell them about you, your professional history and your skills, abilities and achievements. Ultimately, it should highlight why you're the best person for the job. Do this before writing a CV. Research before you start writing your CV. Pick a suitable structure and format for your CV. Write a perfect CV profile. List your work experience and structure roles. Detail education and qualifications. Things to include in a CV. 1. Name, professional title and contact details. At the top, forename, surname. Professional title, location, phone, email. The first part of your CV, positioned at the top of the page, should contain your name, professional title and contact details. Under no circumstances should you title your CV with curriculum vitae or CV, as it's a waste of valuable space. Treat your name as the title instead. 2. Personal profile. A personal profile, also known as a personal statement, career objective and professional profile, is one of the most important aspects of your CV. It's a short paragraph that sits just underneath your name and contact details, giving prospective employers an overview of who you are and what you're all about. You should tailor your profile to every job you apply for, highlighting specific qualities that match you to the role. Aim to keep your personal statement short and sweet and no longer than a few sentences. To make the most of this section, you should try to address the following. 1. Who are you? 2. What can you offer the company? 3. What are your career goals? 3. Experience and employment history. Your employment history section gives you a chance to outline your previous jobs, internships and work experience. List your experience in reverse chronological order as your recent role is the most relevant to the employer. 4. Education and qualifications. Like your experience section, your education should be listed in reverse chronological order. Include the name of the institutions and the dates you were there, followed by the qualifications and grades you achieved. 5. Key skills. If you're writing a functional CV or have some abilities you want to show off to the employer immediately, insert a key skills section underneath your personal profile. Always make use of your hard skills over soft skills when targeting a skill-specific job. You should aim to detail 4 to 5 abilities at most. 6. Hobbies and interests. If you feel your CV is not strong enough, you can boost your document by inserting a hobbies and interests section at the end. This can help to show how well you fit into the company or the industry. For example, if you're applying for a marketing job, why not include that you have a big interest in product research and sales? Be careful though. Avoid listing hobbies that don't add value to your CV, like reading. 7. References. Adding your referees to the end of your CV is no longer standardized, not necessary. You can include a line that reads references available on request, but if you don't have room, it's acceptable to remove it totally. Subscribe to Maxi, click the channel where you can learn more DIY stuffs. Check the description of this video for formatting and spacing guidelines. Also for what shouldn't be included in a CV. You will also find link to an Android app that will help you write a perfect CV.